Hi everyone, how do we solve this cubic equation? X plus s squared plus s cubed equal to 155. X plus s squared plus s cubed is equal to 155 could be written as 5 plus 25 plus 125. This implies that the next thing to do is to transfer each of these guys to the left hand side correspondingly. So that will be x minus 5, let's put this in brackets, plus s square. So let us transfer this also to the left hand side. We have minus 25, we put it in brackets, plus s cube. Move this also to the left hand side. We have minus 125, so we put it in brackets, equal to 0. Let's continue. This implies that x minus 5 plus s square minus 25 could be written as 5 square plus x to the power of 3 minus 125 also could be written as 5 to the power of 3 equal to 0. Let's continue. This implies that x minus 5 plus s square minus 5 square is a derivative of 2 square, and we can write it as x minus 5 times x plus 5 plus x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 equal to 0. Let's continue. Now, recall that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Take note of this identity. So from this line, we have x minus 5 plus x minus 5 times x plus 5 plus, now applying this identity to this guy, we simply have x minus 5 times s square plus 5x plus 5 square equal to 0. You will notice that x minus 5 is common throughout. We can pull it out, so that will be s minus 5 into 1 plus x plus 5 plus this guy s square plus 5x plus, what is 5 square? 5 times 5, 25. Close the bracket, equal to 0. Let's continue. X minus 5. Now let us drop this square bracket into 1 plus, dropping this round bracket also, we have x plus 5 plus, drop this round bracket, we have s square plus 5x plus 25 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 5 times, now let us add the common terms. We have s square, x plus 5x, 6x, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 25, 31 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 5 is equal to 0, or s square plus 6x plus 31 is equal to 0. From this line, x is equal to 5. Take note of this answer. This is the real solution. Now, let us solve this quadratic equation. We can solve it using quadratic formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to 31. X equal to minus, what is the value of b? B is 6. 6 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be c square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? A is 1 into the value of c, that is 31, all divided by 2 into 1. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of, what is 6 square? 6 times 6, 36, minus 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 31, that is 124. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 124, that is minus 88, divided by 2. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus. We can rewrite square root of minus 88 as square root of negative 1, square root of negative 1 times square root of 88, all divided by 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus. Don't forget, from the complex number, we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have to replace the square root of minus 1 with I. We have I times square root of 88 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 6 plus or minus I. I can also rewrite square root of 88 as square root of 4 times square root of 22 divided by 2. This implies that x equal to minus 6 plus or minus I. What is square root of 4? That is 2 times square root of 22, all divided by 2. This equal to, you will see that from this numerator, we can factor out 2. So that will be 2 into minus 3 plus or minus I times square root of 22, all divided by 2. Clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with x equal to minus 3 plus or minus I times square root of 22. This implies that x equal to minus 3. Considering the positive sign, we have plus I times square root of 22, or x equal to minus 3. Considering the negative sign, we have minus I times square root of 22. You will see that we have two complex solutions, this guy and this, and just only one real solution, which is s equals to 5. Let us call this x1 and call this x2 and this s3. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching.